Women do not like boring guys. And that's why players like me get all the women that I want and you don't. See, when it comes to attraction, there's certain rules you have to follow. Women just don't naturally like boring men. This truth isn't meant to shame or demean anyone, but rather to highlight the dynamics of attraction and why sparks sometimes shoot. Women crave a man who exudes power, confidence, and passion. Let's dive deeper into why this is true and how you can embody these qualities. At the core of attraction is a simple principle: excitement. Women are drawn to men who bring a sense of adventure and unpredictability to the table. This doesn't mean you have to be a daredevil or live on the edge 24/7. You just have to be yourself, playboy. But you also have to add a pinch of excitement in there. Ask yourself this: do you share intriguing stories with your passions, dreams, and ambitions? Boredom is a killer. A man who sticks to a routine avoids risk and rarely steps outside his comfort zone. Doing this can make a woman feel like a relationship with him would be stuck in neutral. Confidence equals attractive. Women gravitate towards men who carry themselves in a certain way. And before you get it twisted, confidence isn't about being arrogant or dominating. It's about knowing your worth and knowing your presence. A confident man naturally makes a woman feel sexy because his energy reassures her that she's with someone who knows how to lead and handle life's challenges. Here's how to tap into your inner confidence. Number one, work on yourself. Physical fitness, personal style, and grooming play a role in how confident you feel. When you look good, you feel good, and that energy is contagious. Number two, pursue your passion. Women admire men who are passionate about something, whether it's their career, hobbies, or personal growth. Passion is magnetic. 3. Speak with conviction. Whether you're sharing your opinions or flirting, speak with clarity and certainty. Flip-flopping or hesitating can come across as insecure. A woman cannot feel deeply attracted to a man who is unsure of himself. Sure, you're someone who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. Women can feel nervous energy in a man and they don't like it. But on the flip side, instilling nervous energy into her can be a good thing. Women often find themselves drawn to men who keep them on their toes, men who are just a little unpredictable in the best way. Here's why this matters. When a woman feels like she's always in control or that she knows every move you make, the spark can fade. A woman wants to be pursued, but she also wants to feel like she's earned your attention. She wants to feel like she's picked by a man who is selective, rather than by a man who puts her on a pedestal. Be the kind of man who keeps her guessing. Plan dates. She wouldn't expect or reveal interesting facets of your personality over time. Challenge her, engage in intellectual conversations, share your perspective, and encourage her to grow as a person. Stay composed. Women are attracted to men who remain calm under pressure. It shows strength and resilience. This balance of those three things keeps her emotionally invested. It's a fact that attraction often thrives off of polarity. I keep telling you, women and men are like the yin and yang, perfectly balanced opposites that attract each other, like metal to a magnet. While modern relationships emphasize equality, the truth remains that women are most attracted to men who embody what they lack: strength, decisiveness, and leadership. Attraction fades when a woman feels she's the only one leading a relationship or when she perceives a man as being less powerful. How do you project power? By being decisive, whether it's choosing where you eat or making life plans. Don't defer to her. Women appreciate a man who can take charge. Also, you have to set boundaries. You can listen to her opinions and desires, but don't compromise your core values to please her. Stand firm in who you are. And last but not least, be a protector, not a dictator. Women feel secure and attracted to men who protect their physical, emotional, and mental well-being without being too overbearing. To sum it up, women want a man who makes them feel alive, someone who brings excitement, confidence, and a touch of mystery into their lives. They're drawn to men who make their panties moist, and I'm not kidding when I say that. Women need to feel a certain way if you want to maintain their attention, because at the end of the day, no chick dreams of being with a boring guy. So make her feel excited, make her feel sexy, and yes, even make her feel a little nervous. That's the sweet spot of attraction. That's the play away. Anyway, I hope you caught what I was throwing at you. And I'll holler at you in the next video. Until then, play on, player.